So here I am, driving a wonderful U-Haul truck, halfway across the country, going a whopping 60 miles an hour, listening to that awesome sound, ding, 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 ding. The parking brake warning sign light is on. The ABS light is on. And the brake service light is on. So I call the customer service number a half a dozen times, explaining the situation. I meet the mobile mechanic, mobile repair unit guy in St. George, Utah, and he says because of the dirt in the ABS, anti-lock brake system sensors, that's the cause of the alarm. Now, if you know that this has been a cause of alarms in the past, and you know they get dirty, why don't you clean them regularly? Thanks, U-Haul. You made my 700-mile trip really worthwhile. 500 miles of listening to this. Appreciate it. You guys are awesome.